This is a Cheyenne 20, which is basically, it'd be a base model 3/4 ton, but this is clearly a 1-ton build. It's got solid axle in the front, 1971 grille. It says Allison transmission with a Duramax. You know, best thing about this thing is it is a crew cab. Crew cab with a stake bed on it. Steel plated. It's a very attractive bed. I don't know what kind of wood that is, but you know, looks like cherry. Yeah, you know, little flatbed truck right here. What are these? Toyo Open Country 37, 13.5 by 20. 20? Oh my goodness. This guy here. You know? 20-inch wheels. What does it look like on the inside? Oh. That's a late model GMT 400 seat from the crew cab. In the 90s, has been reupholstered. You know? Aftermarket radio. CB. You know. There's an Ashley. Is that the name of the truck or the owner? I don't know. Oh, jeez. I don't even know. This is very attractive. Very attractive build. This mustard yellow, or Brandon, must be the couple that owns this thing. And then these doors, I think this thing is fabbed up. Because it looks like it was extended, the roof line was extended right there. And then they took, at the time when this thing came out, the Suburban was a 3-door wagon. So the Suburban would have 1 door on the driver's side and 2 doors on the passenger side. And this would not be a functional door. You'd have the window, and then you'd have the wagon body. So I think all of these doors are fabricated after somebody just extended the cap on the cab. And then this stake body flatbed is made out of steel. It's really attractive, polished, with a utility box right here on the side. And it looks like, you know, this is a turbo diesel, so it's got that big Duramax exhaust, like 4-inch exhaust pipe. Oh, and then you got this one next to it. This one next to it. It's got the Rhino liner as the second part of his 2-tone. It's like another 71. It's got a toolbox. You know, diamond plate with black. Oh, jeez. Not the mosquitoes again too much. Too early for that. Got straight pipes up into the air. You see? They call it Cummins. It's got his off-road lights up there. A lot of these guys live locally, so these guys are from central Pennsylvania. Oh man, these cars are so beautiful. I mean, you really can't do justice looking at them on the video screen, nor just being in person next to them for 90 seconds or 2 minutes. A lot of these cars are so beautiful, you just lay down and eat a roast beef sandwich right next to it. You know? Got that one. And then over here we have I'm gonna say this is a 1960. Those are 60 tail lights and a tailgate. This is a 60 style bed. You know, but jeez, what are those? 24-inch wheels. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think I'm having a heart attack. Look at the body. It's orange. But he painted the leaf springs. Gloss. Purple. Oh. Look at that. Look at that torsion bar. Purple. Frame painted black. Fabrication by Old Spool 60. Hashtag Old Spool 60. See, a lot of these guys are local, you know. Interior. Interior is stock as could be. There's nothing in here but what? There's a headlight switch from a later model. There's a turbo boost sensor meter. See, look at this. I gotta stop, man. I gotta stop. Because from this side of the car, really, from this side of the car, that instrument cluster looks like something from, yeah, it's from a General Motors car, but it looks like something from like a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer. That's what it looks like. Alright, so never seen that. This grill has been pushed out, see? Right, there's the brackets to push it out further. And it would be for Chevrolet. It's got this hood. All of these hoods were interchangeable during that time because they all use the same fenders. From like 50, I don't know, 57 to 66. They use the same fenders. They just kept changing what was interior here, you know, changing the interior, and then you get a hood that will reflect whatever they put interior in here. But this is, oh, jeez, look at this. All right, these seats, clearly, you can see they're from a King Ranch, which means they're from a Ford F-150. And that instrument cluster, looks like, yeah, man, looks like it's from a Chevy Trailblazer. 2002, 2000, not a Trail. Let me see. Yeah, Trailblazer 2002. Junkyard. You see the cluster? The instrument cluster on the inside?
No.
Yeah.